Hello there and welcome back. This is Amir from Stack AI. Let's learn about large language models. In this video, we're going to explore LLM nodes. At core or heart of every project in Stack AI, there is at least one large language model. I'm going to drag and drop an OpenAI large language model, and you can see there are a few components within each node. If I click on this gear icon, it'll bring us to LLM's settings, where we can select the provider to OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, etc. We can change the model to GPT-4 or any of the other available models in OpenAI. We can toggle on or off stream data. We can toggle on or off memory, and if it's on, we can also select the type of a memory we would want, and also window size can be changed here. Input ID, when we have multiple inputs, can be selected here. You can clear memory by clicking on this red button. Citations, which allows the LLM to show references of its response. Toggle on or off date and time. PII compliance, which hides confidential information. This is really helpful, particularly in use cases that the interactions need to stay compliant with companies' policies. And guardrails also can be toggled on or off. Temperature, how creative the model we want to be. We can change the temperature here. Max output length, which should be set with respect to max token size of the model. And if you want, you can provide your own OpenAI API key right down in the last field. Other parts of the LLM node, there is an instructions part and there is a prompt part. In instructions, you write basically whatever expectations you have from the LLM, its personality, tone, instructions, the way it needs to behave. And in the prompt section, all the variables go. So in this example, we have one variable, which is the user input. So if I just click it to the input, you can see it's been added in the prompt section. And also it can be added to the output node. So this would be a really simple setup in Stack AI. Again, in LLMs, we have a lot of different models available, and you can choose the one that fits your needs the best. So that's it. We learned about LLMs and its settings, experiment with different models and different settings, and I see you in the next one.